Installing boosters in our BX4 bodies. Put the booster inside the fixture so you can line up the swedging bar with the booster leg. Just make sure it's centered before you install the booster so it doesn't go in crooked. This is a 450 booster, so we have a 450 pin gauge inside of it so it doesn't crush when you swedge it. Apply Loctite to the booster leg. Make sure it's flush with the meter block surface. Just pull it down. You don't have to go crazy. I use the leveling tool. They're all going to be a little bit different.